Hello and welcome to Aktienlust TV International powered by eToro. Today, directly from the stock exchange in Frankfurt. My name is Nicole Straub and today we want to talk about the biggest losers in the German DAX 2018. Therefore, I want to ask Mick Knauff, our expert and journalist, some questions. Hello Mick.
Hello Nicole, nice to have you here.
Yeah, Mick, the German DAX performance in 2018 was not good at all. The leading German index is down in double digits and has dropped more than other indices around the world. What do you think were the reasons?
Yes, really it was an awful year for the German shareholders, for all shareholders who invested in the DAX, in the DAX 30. Yes, we have a lot of problems, but the main thing was at the moment the trade war between America and the Chinese guys. When we get these problems out of the market will run high. On the other hand side, we have problems here in Europe too. We have Italy, we have the Brexit, a big problem. We have no deal in this Brexit with the UK, and we have some patience into the market. Yeah, look after the cars, look after Fresenius medical care, look after the banks at least. There are a lot of companies who lose performance and to lose money.
Yeah, you talked about patience. Do you think there is a chance for recovery? And which stocks may have a comeback and who may stay in intensive care?
Yeah, at the end of the year you say always, okay, 2019, the losers become up, perhaps, out of 2018. Perhaps. So we have to look after the cars, so we have to look after the medicines, after Fresenius medical care, perhaps BASF, perhaps Bayer, after the car companies are coming into this light too.
Yeah, let's talk about Bayer again. Wasn't it obvious that they were going to add a rotten egg by buying Monsanto and its exposure to glyphosate, the weed killer?
Yeah, we have to be fair, I think so. The Bayer company, I think, doesn't know what's coming up there in America out of the law, out of the people becoming up and say, hey, I get ill from glyphosate, give me some money. I think they don't imagine in further times that it is so hard in America to be stand. But I think in 1 or 2 years, nobody is talking about Monsanto, nobody is talking about glyphosate, and Bayer will have a run.
Okay. Yeah, we have already talked about the car makers this week. Who do you think has the biggest upside potential for the next years? Or do you think the car suppliers have the better outlook?
I think the big three in Germany, VW, BMW, Daimler are the biggest one we have in the German markets. They have chances to come up. In first place, I think Daimler is a nice share because they pay you 5% every year on dividend, and that's very sexy for this company and for the shareholders.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, let's finish by taking a look at Deutsche Bank. We saw another ride in Frankfurt a couple of weeks ago. When do you think this misery will come to an end and the shiny bank from the past will stop making negative headlines?
Yeah, we said a lot of jokes here about German banks, the analysts and the journalists. We say, okay, German bank is no bank, it's a law office with a bank license. But you're right, as I lost this year half on price, we are staying about under 8 euro, coming about 16 euro, and in further times coming about from 50 euro. The German bank problem is nobody trusts the German bankers. Yeah, they said, no, I don't want to get some money, I don't want to help them. No. That is very difficult for the German bank market at least. Perhaps in Berlin some politicians have an idea to combine, to get a fusion between Commerzbank and German bank, to get one big German bank. Perhaps that is one of the ways we can do, but at the moment they're syncing it up. It's no way. It's only speculation.
Okay, Mick, thank you for your assessments. Yeah, well, dear viewers, 2018 was not a good year, but maybe some of the losers will be the winners during next year, 2019. Aktienlust TV will continue to watch the market closely and, of course, keep you updated. Thank you for your interest and see you soon.